Ever been in a meeting where your dog decides to sing opera or your keyboard sounds like a drumline? Yeah, I feel you. Today we're checking out two noise cancelling heroes, Krisp AI and NoiseTorch, so you can actually sound human again. Stick around till the end, you'll want to see which one deserves your mic. First up, Krisp AI. Think of it as your personal meeting ninja. It cancels background noise, even echoes and crosstalk, while also handling scripts, summaries, and action items automatically. I've tested it during my weekly calls and honestly, it saves me a ton of time. Plus, it even lets you tweak your accent in real time. Yes, your coworkers might finally understand your English without guessing. The magic, you can prep before meetings with smart agendas, record everything silently, and push notes straight to Slack, HubSpot, or Salesforce. I tried it and my meetings felt 50% shorter because I didn't have to frantically type notes or chase action items afterward. Now for the Linux folks, NoiseTorch is a lifesaver. It's open source, super lightweight, and works with Pulse Audio or Pipewire. It creates a virtual mic that filters out everything: keyboard clacks, fan noise, even that train rumbling outside your window. I tested it with my VoIP apps and honestly it just works. Simple, no fancy AI, just pure noise suppression. So which one should you pick? If you want full AI meeting power, transcripts, summaries, and accent tweaks, Krisp is your go-to. But if you just need a clean mic on Linux, NoiseTorch is the unsung hero. Both work, it just depends on your setup and how fancy you want your meetings. Personally, I keep Krisp for work calls and NoiseTorch for gaming or Linux chats. Try them out, pick your fighter, and finally sound like a human again. And hey, share your experience. I'd love to hear what worked best for you. And remember, if this video helped you fix something or saved you from wasting money, here's an easy way to support the channel. You'll find an Amazon link in the description. Bookmark it and use it whenever you shop. Whether you're buying tech or everyday essentials, a small portion of what you already spend helps support the work here at no extra cost to you. And trust me, Amazon won't even notice. If you want to support directly, you can also buy me a coffee or check out the phone accessory store link below. Totally optional. That's it. Thanks for the support. Stay sharp and I'll see you in the next video.